Hi, this is John from NYC. Like I said before, making a dalgona. Here's the things ready. Here's with the sugar. Fire is already on. Can't see the fire because it's really bright out here. I'll put this up. You don't want to do this in a very high heat. You want to do it on low, otherwise the sugar will burn really fast. I don't know if you guys can see it. It start melting. Ooh, it's hot. I don't know how many of you guys watched the Squid game. I'm surprised they showed this dalgona, also known as a popki. Kupcha means a lot of, they could say in a lot of different ways, but it's all means the same. This is the stuff that used to pay like 100 won when I was a little kid back in Korea. Once they start melted like so, you add just a little bit of baking soda. Then you notice the color start changing because of baking soda. I guess I didn't put enough, but I guess I'll put too little of sugar. Okay, then you pour this down. Pour. Then with this, you flatten it out. Then get this, hit it. It didn't do it right. Okay. I should have put some oil on this thing, but which I didn't. Oh, damn, there's a plastic. By the way, this works much better if you have put the oil on the thing first. It's just sticky. Ooh, it's still hot. But then again, it looked like so once you are done making it. But peels up much easier if you put any oil in there, like cooking oil. You rub it in there, then do it. It peels up much easily. Wow, my childhood candy. Loving it. Anyway, this is how you make the dalgona. Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. Or if you like this video, please subscribe and give me a thumbs up. See you next time. Bye.